Let's take a look at how we bond a miniature, KFRS, strain gauge, on a PCB. In preparation, we collect the shown items, so we have everything ready.
Here's the challenge. A normal strain gauge is around 10 mm long, so we use the KFRS in small spaces. We are going to bond it in this location.
Looking closely at the strain gauge, you can see the top surface is shiny and has the solder tabs, whereas the rear is flat and dull. For easier handling, we attach the surface to some sticky tape. Stick the surface to the adhesive side of the tape. Folding the end of the tape makes it easy to handle. In addition, when attaching between small parts, it is convenient to make a cotton bud wrapped with a polythene sheet. Wear safety glasses and rubber gloves before starting work. Clean the board surface with an industrial tissue and solvent.
Now, we need to mark the position using either a scribing pen or a hard pencil. If using a scribe, use a light force to avoid over-damaging the surface of the PCB.
Then, we need to clean and remove the loose debris, using a clean part of the tissue each time, to avoid transferring particles around. Now, we will temporarily attach the strain gauge in the correct place, using the clear tape, prepared in advance. Slowly, peel off part of the sticky tape, to expose the strain gauge. Apply a drop of glue to the back of the strain gauge. A fine nozzle is included, to help limit the amount of adhesive applied. Reposition the strain gauge and then, using an additional polythene sheet, apply constant pressure to the gauge, for 1 minute. For places where it is difficult to apply acupressure, use a cotton bud wrapped in polythene, or the eraser on the end of the pencil. After a few minutes, remove the sticky tape used for the temporary fixing. Peel off the tape slowly, in almost the same plane as the PCB. Now your installation is ready. Secure the attachment wires, and connect to an instrument. Other methods include dripping the adhesive directly onto the gauge, or coating it from a droplet on some polythene sheet.